we have you. Can you share some of those healthy dishes with us?
Oh, for sure. I'd like to start off with the stuffed portobello mushroom.
Sounds good.
Oh, it is awesome. And what I've done is, what I like to do is I like to kind of prep my food in advance. It really helps. And this mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, yum. Who does not love mac and cheese? And it's all vegan. It's all vegan. It's wonderful. But my favorite is the spinach enchilada. Now I wish you guys could really see this enchilada up close. One of the main ingredients would be farro. So it's full of protein. And I've also got tofu. Yes, I still eat tofu. And it's ground tofu. That's full of protein. And then I just add my veggies, spinach in the spinach enchilada, string beans and potato in the stuffed portobello mushroom. And you know what we got in the mac and cheese.
What I love about it is that you said about the preparation. That's very important. People should remember. And also the idea that you can take the same ingredients and really make different dishes. It's economical. It's convenient. So I think these are all great tips. Last thing before you go, what would you say to people who they hear the word vegan and they say, it's not going to be tasty and I won't have a lot of choices? What do you say to them?
I would say, come on now. I'm a vegan chef in Inglewood, California, and I've been there in the same spot through COVID since 2008. I beg to differ. You come to stuff I eat, you're going to find you something real tasty to dine on. Trust me. Yeah, come on now. I'm a black girl.
Guess what? When I come to L.A., I'm coming by to get
you gotta come see me.
It's a road trip there, Ian.
That's right.
It's
my treat.
All right.
There you go. You guys come see me.
All right. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
All right.
Bye-bye.
And you can find these recipes from Chef Babette right on our website, thedoctorstv.com. We're living in uncertain times. It's tough to keep up with the latest medical headlines.
About the market, panicked about COVID.
And how do those headlines impact you and your family? 100,000 people died. On season 13 of The Doctors, we want to empower you physically.
If I met them at dance, they would meet me at medicine.
Man, I love that. Emotionally.
If I can change my thoughts, I can change my feelings.
And medically.
He doesn't have his mask up, which is not a good thing.
This is the $1 million question, maybe the $1 trillion question. This is so critical for people to hear. We're giving you the inside track on health and wellness so that you can get back to the life you deserve. It's time to take back your power. The Doctors, now more than ever. Premieres September 21st.